Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a labor complaint. It is important to understand what constitutes a violation and how to address it. Many issues, such as not receiving minimum wage, unpaid overtime, or improper deductions, fall under labor law. You might also experience problems with meal and rest breaks, or even discrimination. Recognizing these issues is crucial for protecting your rights and ensuring a just working environment for everyone. Before filing, gather all necessary information to strengthen your complaint. You will need your employer's full name, address, and phone number. Crucially, document the specific dates and times when the violations occurred, along with a clear description of what happened. Collect supporting evidence like pay stubs, timesheets, and any emails or texts related to the issue. The more detailed your records, the more effectively your complaint can be processed. Once you have gathered your information, the next step is to file your complaint with the correct agency. For federal wage and hour violations, the U.S. Department of Labor's Wage and Hour Division is often the place to start. You can usually file your complaint conveniently online or by calling their toll-free number 1-866-487-9243. Remember, these services are free and confidential, and your employer cannot retaliate against you for filing. After you file, the agency will review your complaint and typically contact you within 2 business days. An investigator will then determine if an investigation is necessary. This process may involve contacting your employer, reviewing records, and interviewing employees privately. If violations are found, the employer may be required to pay back wages. Importantly, federal law protects you from any form of retaliation, such as demotion or termination, for exercising your rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.